How to make a U-boat shot. G'day there, drinking buddies. Scotty Boxa here for DrinkLab.org, your home to thousands of free cocktail recipes. Go check it out, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel right here. Now this here is the Uboat, sometimes pronounced the Uboat, but this is a twist on the Jager bomb, and this is how to make it. For this you'll need 1 ounce of JAGERMEISTER, 1 pint of beer. Fill 1 shot and put it on top of a highball glass. Then place another glass tightly over the top and flip. Carefully pour your beer over the top. And there you have it. And that's how to make the U-boat, and this is how you drink it, baby. If you want more cocktail recipes just like this, then head on over to our website, DrinkLab.org, sign up to become a drink buddy, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to go out and enjoy yourself, but don't destroy yourself. See you next time. Bye.